Hello, welcome to Candy's Cupcakes. Here's your tutorial to accompany your Christmas cupcake decorating kit that you've purchased from candyscupcakes.co.uk. In your pack, you'll receive everything you need to create 6 stunning cupcakes this Christmas. 3 reindeers and 3 Christmas trees, along with extra goodies such as candy canes, chocolate Santas and marshmallows. In your pack, you're going to find some green buttercream, chocolate buttercream and a spare piping bag with a plastic nozzle. Let's talk you through it. So first of all, take your pre-made green buttercream and pop it into the spare bag that's also got a nozzle on the end to create those beautiful swirls. What you want to be aiming for is a Mr. Whippy style swirl, starting in the centre of your cupcakes and working clockwise or anti-clockwise, whichever you choose, going narrower as you go higher. Stop squeezing the bag when you reach the top and lift away. Before the buttercream sets, we want those nice sprinkles to stick to the Christmas tree. So take a little handful at a time, or maybe loads, it depends who you're doing it with, and sprinkle it all over each cupcake. I'm just going to speed this bit up for you. Now, to finish your cupcakes, what you want to do is find your 3 chocolate stars, and you want to add each star to the top of your Christmas tree. And there you have it, 3 Christmas tree cupcakes. Pretty easy and pretty impressive. So next, you want to make your reindeers. So clean out the nozzle and clean out your bag with some hot soapy water and dry it off. Insert your chocolate buttercream and again make some similar swirls, Mr. Whippy style swirls. A little bit of practice with this. Then once you've done this, take your chocolate pretzels that are pre-cut and add 1/2 to each side to create your antlers. Again, you want to do this before your buttercream starts going hard. Then next, take your eyes and add a pair of eyes to each cupcake. And finally, it wouldn't be Rudolph unless he had his shiny red nose. So take the 3 red noses and add them to the front. If you like, you can decorate them with the extra marshmallows or any spare sprinkles you might have. And there you have it, 3 beautiful red-nosed reindeer cupcakes and 3 Christmas trees. Perfect activity over the festive period. I hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to share yours on our channels. Thank you.